Aloha community. It has been more than a hot minute since I've been able to pop in here and share a Dancing Through Life tip. I am sending first and foremost a lot of love and groovy vibes from Hawaii, and I want to talk about a tip that I feel is really helping me navigate a new stage of my life. So for these past couple of months and weeks, I have been basking and absorbing so much of the love and the support that has come mine and Travis's and baby to come's way. I recently shared that I am expecting my first baby, and I have to be super honest. I am riding beautiful waves of change, transitions, and tons of what the fucks are those things. I'm honest. I'm really on this fun ride right now, and I am really grateful for all the support, the messages, the texts, the calls, all the emails, all the things that we've received. Just know that I really appreciate them a lot. In preparations for this next phase, I have been taking a look at my personal life, my professional life, and I'm trying to just kind of map out and prepare for what's coming, right? Whatever that may mean. And somewhere along the lines, I have been hit really hard with a message from the co-creator and founder of Nia Technique, Debbie Rosas. And is a message that I've been marinating with now for weeks. This message came out at the end of 2020 in preparation for 2021. And the message is a strong message about collaboration. So collaborating. And she feels so strongly about this that in 2021, she has denoted it the year of collaborative teamwork for our global Nia community. I absolutely love this. And the truth is that the more I read this message and the more I let it resonate in my cells, the more I realize that this message is completely and utterly very important and speaks to me. So when I think of collaborating and I think about this teamwork concept, I'm actually thinking about my body. I'm thinking about how can I collaborate with my body right now and the changes that I'm experiencing. I think about how can I be a better team player to myself and my community and the people that show up to my classes and the people that I work with privately. How can I be of service and use this concept of collaboration to nourish and to have that beautiful cycle of giving and receiving? And what I'm finding is that when I wake up and I make choices that really come from a more collaborative space, they come from an experimental space, a very curious space, curious being super key and compassionate being super key, I'm navigating these changes with a little more comfort, a little more ease, and I dare even say with a smile. Honestly, I really am. I'm embracing what I'm experiencing, and I'm happy to share that with you. What it makes me think about is, are you in a place where maybe you can use some of this in your life too? So does this sound like something you could use in your life too? Having better collaboration with an individual that can help create accountability for you, healthy accountability, and that it can go vice versa, right? So if that's the case, I'm gonna be super blunt and I'm gonna be super honest. When you've asked me, how can I support you on your journey? How can I gift you and the baby? And how can I be a part of this phase of your life? My answer is collaborate with me. Attend my Nia classes, attend my classes in general, attend my events, sign up for them, come powwow with me, come experience and nourish the body together with me, come see me while I can see you, doing life real, doing life raw. So I do pop into Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, but truly, really where the work happens and where the magic happens is in my classes. And I would really love to extend the invitation for you to collaborate with me, collaborate with other Nia teachers around the globe that are offering their services, that are offering wellness initiatives that are gonna help us feel like a healthier community. And it really does start with ourselves first. So I've popped in here to share this Dancing Through Life tip, which I am going to call Collaborate. And I like it. I'm using it in my personal life. I'm using it in my professional life. Those lines have gotten blurry because it's all integrated for me. And I want to extend that invitation to you. So I've actually added on to my schedule, and I've had some people say, well, do you think that's a good idea? You know, hey, the truth is, if I have the energy, which I have had the energy, I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep teaching. I'm going to keep offering my classes. As long as I can still show up and feel good about what I'm doing for the next coming weeks, I'm going to. And when it's time to go a little dormant or to shift my energy and collaborate in a different way with a different part of life, then I will. And then I'll jump back in. Although I feel like that's going to be really hard not to be dancing. I've been taking classes with many other teachers. Thank you so much. Sending so much love to you for helping you be a part of my self-care regime and to remind me the importance of having a practice, having my Nia practice that honestly I am using so much now. I feel like I am using it more than ever. And as long as I am dancing and grooving, here's a little test. You can join me. I will keep teaching. This is my little virtual aloha space. So come dance with me and let's collaborate. Aloha. Thank you.